Today, I'm making a Chinese chicken salad, and I'm taking a few shortcuts, including ramen noodles and bagged coleslaw mix. Use the flavor packet along with oil, vinegar, and sugar to make the dressing. For the salad, add the coleslaw, some diced cucumbers, sliced bell peppers, grated carrot, sliced scallions, and rotisserie chicken. You can just dice this. I like to use the breast meat. Give it a good toss and then add the dressing. You don't have to use all the dressing, just enough to get it seasoned and flavored. Then come the crushed ramen noodles, sunflower seeds, crushed peanuts, and fresh cilantro. You can make this salad a little bit ahead of time, just don't add the dressing and the crunchies until the very end. You're gonna love it. Enjoy.